Hey everyone, welcome to my first PC build, or at least an attempt. I've always been scared of building one because of the amounts of things you can screw up, but mama didn't raise no bitch. I guess we can start by showing the components I will be using. As you can see, I will be using a Hyte y40 tuber Amelia Watson edition as my case. First things first, I need to remove the front and top panels to place all the parts inside. And now to show off everything that will go on the motherboard. I will be using this space to build and have my laptop ready with tutorial. The case represents where I will put my phone to record. I will need something to keep my phone from falling, so I will use my echidna figurine as a holder. Bird's eye view. This is the motherboard I used. This came bundled with the GPU and RAM at Micro Center. Here it is out the bag. Bundled came this AMD GPU. How the fuck do I open this? Next comes the RAM. I forgot to get scissors. Found them. Ow! No one told me the RAM would fight back. Tried to be like the relaxing end, but these gloves are annoying and hot. Finally comes the storage. Got a 2 TB Samsung stick thing, I don't know what they're called. Need to remove this fan before placing motherboard. Forgot to press record before placing the GPU, so here it is on. Pretty sure I'm supposed to save this. Now I gotta put the storage here. Needed the instructions to be sure. Next is the RAM. My hands are sweating right now. Drill time. Need to change these for the cooling system. These are also for cooling system. Next, time to put the motherboard on the case. Now to screw motherboard onto case. Gonna need electricity to power up this bad boy, so I got the Corsair 850 power supply. Fuck me, that's a lot of wires. Comes with a little snack. Now to connect wires. I am just going on what YouTube man tells me to plug in. Hopefully I didn't just arm a bomb. I'm going to place one of these Corsair fans where I remove the fan that comes with the case. The other two will go beside the motherboard. It also comes with a hub that makes cable management easier. This is the radiator and fans that will go on top, and the cooling system for the GPU. Didn't realize they messed up the box, bruh. This came with thermal pasting. I bought some not knowing it came pre-placed. It also came with its own hub, so I'ma have to use both. Hopefully I don't accidentally place the wrong fans on the radiator with the ones you see here, a bit of foreshadowing. Need to replace the brackets to one that will fit an AMD chip. Drill time. Shouldn't have taken all the screws off the bag, now I gotta pick them up. Now gotta screw this on. Satisfying peeling moment. Fucked it up. Hopefully that is placed good. Drinking break.
She's fucking minging. Suck your dad.
Like I said, didn't messed up with the fans. After changing the top fans, I placed the QX120s on each side of the motherboard. Now that that's complete, I will proceed to connect all plugs into the motherboard. I have no idea what this shit is for. It took me 20 minutes to realize that the plug was for the fan that is next to the power supply. Now we can move on to the graphics card. I didn't want to get a super expensive one since this is my first build, so I went with the Nvidia RTX 3060 that I got from Amazon for only $300. So basically, say you're broke without saying you're broke. Professional transition coming through. Now that everything is plugged, it's time for the biggest trial in PC building. Cable management. Also need to set up the fan hubs. Forgot to put this on, now I'm mad. Now I'm gonna rob my local 7-Eleven. Just gonna put the front glass on, and then turn it on. And here's the final build. It was nerve-wracking at first, but Did we accidentally spill more thermal paste than necessary? Maybe. Did we fumble with cable management? Definitely. But hey, that's the beauty of building your own PC. It's like adult Lego, messy, fun, and ultimately